We find with this screen door, we kind of put our hands right here and it's ripping out the screen. So we bought a bar to put across, which will allow us to use as a handle for opening and closing instead of trying to reach here. Let's see how it goes. Here's tape to mark for the width.
And it's universal, right? Like it doesn't matter which way is up.
And this allows you to adjust. You want to make sure you put the screws holes on this side, and then you'll have to do some pilot holes here based on whatever size you end up doing.
I wonder if we should just put a screw in there so it doesn't move around on us.
Yeah.
Just to keep it.
Well, and because we're going to make sure that that's lined up.
I brought a screwdriver.
I think we got to put one on each end.
Right, just because we'll have to take it apart to mount it. But I gotta get a screwdriver.
I think as long as it's started.
It's not sticking out in the way.
Yeah. Alright. That way those ends don't slide. So we get the correct measurement.
So you probably want to center out, right? You won't like it being. That one, right? It's barely.
That one has to be just on. So I think that's fine.
I'm okay to mark this. Broach here. I'm just gonna taper it on there and drill right through. That's not initially what I thought I was gonna do. Okay.
Yeah, we could try closing it. I can just double check. So
okay, sure, yeah. I think it is not much forgiveness there.
Yeah, I think when we do the final attachment, we're going to want to be in here to do it.
Okay.
Okay. That's all right. The holes are now drilled, and we're going to put it all together. Clay is screwing them by hand because sometimes with a drill you might strip them. So this kind of thing, when you're just putting something together, it might be better to use a hand screwdriver.
As high as it would go.
Yeah.
So basically, let's.
Are you gonna be able to get a screw in there if it goes as high as it can go?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna mark this.
This one's gonna barely hit the metal.
Okay, so is that gonna be okay?
Yeah. You're gonna have to, yeah. Might have to like screw a little side slanted.
Saying anything? Six.
So we decided to measure this hole from the bottom just in case our camper wasn't level. All right, we put the top two screws in. Now we're gonna mark the holes and drill 2 more holes. Yep.
type.
Yep. There's a screwdriver in your pocket.
Probably. Get
All
that
right.
in.
All the holes are drilled, so we're going to put it on. All right, now we can use this bar to close the door. I have put the link in the description if you would like to purchase this RV travel camper screen door bar. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.